Hi everyone, I'm coming to you with another fun and easy DIY. We're making an aromatherapy shower head with dried herbs and flowers. Use whatever you have. I use some bamboo shoots, calendula, roses, lavender, and rosemary. Some coarse pink Himalayan sea salt, or use whatever salt you have, but the coarse one is better. But if you have regular salt, it's fine. And essential oil of your choosing. I'm using Woolsey's Relax Blend, about 30 drops. Mix that up together until all the ingredients are evenly dispersed. This is a fun way to add a touch of relaxation to your shower if you don't have a bath. Fill up a mesh bag with all those ingredients, about 1 cup to 1 cup, salt, 2 herbs, and flowers. And you use a mesh bag because the water is able to flow through it. Tie that around your shower head, or you could put your shower head inside, but when you do that, the salt finishes quickly. So I've been just tying it around the shower head, and the water flows right through it just as well, just at a slower pace, and you get to utilize it for a longer time. So I enjoy
Thank
this
you
a
for
lot.
watching. See you next time. I'm gonna so enjoy this right now.